Hey everyone. So I've been meaning to do this video for a little while, and in this video I'm talking about how my intuition, psychic abilities saved me. Like it has many times. Like I've got so many stories I could tell you about guidance I've received that's actually helped me and saved my life a lot of the time. Or, not just saved my life, there's been other incidences that have, brought me to different places in life where I've been wanting to go. Things with my son, like I've had guidance of don't do this and do that and things like that with him, like a lot of those kinds of things. And my psychic abilities work like I have clairaudience, clairvoyance, claircognizance. Like I basically have all the clairs. And that's how my intuition speaks to me. It's giving me goosebumps just talking about this right now with you guys. So this is a story I really want to tell, okay? I got a few more to bring onto the channel as well that I want to share with you guys. But we'll start with this one. And my psychic abilities helped me to actually be safe from someone who murdered. Okay, so pretty full on, right? So I was over at a boyfriend at the time's house. He's actually passed away now, sadly. But anyway, so I was over at his house and I was there with him, and there was two other people there, which was his friend and his friend's girlfriend. And his friend from up the road came over to the house that we were at. Anyway, when he came in the door, I looked at him and something said to me, do not go near this guy. Don't sit near him. Don't go near him. He's not, there's something not right about this person. Okay. So I didn't go near him. He was a bit sort of, I think he'd been drinking, he was sweating, he was really like sort of out there and all this kind of thing. And it was the first time I'd met him ever. And it was like, just don't go near him. So I didn't. And then 2 weeks later, he shot a police officer and then he shot himself. And I was just blown away. I was just like, oh my God, like it was awful what happened. And then also to be 2 weeks before that, be face to face with this person, in my space, in my area. And it just blew me away that how my intuition had kept me safe in that scenario. And this is why I'm so big on intuition, because I've just had this really amazing intuition my whole life. And it's actually, like I said, it's kept me safe in so many incidences. And I do want to share other ones with you as well. I'll do them in separate videos because I don't want the video to be too long for you to watch. But my point is, like, I get these sort of downloads, insights and things like that. And obviously I act on them because I trust them. I trust myself. I trust my intuition, right? And at the moment, I'm delving right into the science of intuition because to me, like I said, I've had all these scenarios and incidences that have happened and they've helped me to stay alive, They've helped me to go forward and do things that I want to do. But that particular story is just mind-blowing. And that really affected the people around that situation as well. I ended up, I had to leave the relationship in the end because it actually, my boyfriend at the time, it sent him into a psychosis. Like he just lost it. And then the other girl that was there as well, she also proceeded to lose it a little. I mean, wouldn't you? Like 2 weeks later, you're with that person and then 2 weeks later they do that. Do you know what I mean? And unfortunately that particular girl is no longer with us. She's actually gone as well, which is super sad. And So yeah, I just really wanted to share that story with you, that, you know, learning about intuition and connecting to your own intuition, or even just, you know, if you need help, like to get some intuitive insights, that's what I do. That's what I'm here for. I'm there to help people get in contact with their own intuition, but also be able to show you, you know, sort of what I feel and what I think and what I see in your situations. Or you might be wanting to manifest something, or, you know, you're going through something. You might want to change jobs, change relationships, have a relationship, not have a relationship. I don't know, whatever it is. But I just want to really show you that I have really amazing intuition. And yeah, I just want to share it with the world, because I feel like I do feel like everybody has intuition, because we're born with it for sure, like absolutely, but we're just not taught how to use it. And that's what I love to teach people, how to use their intuition to, you know, manifest their best life. And so, yeah, like I said, like I do believe that everybody has that capacity to learn about intuition. It's like a muscle, you know. And see, the way I sort of do it as well is I have an 11-year-old, and basically, you know, I teach him how to tune into his own intuition. He's got really great intuition, because his whole life I've asked him, you know, how do you feel about that? What's going on for you around that? And just sort of giving him little things along the way that have helped to develop his intuition. And, you know, a lot of us weren't taught that, were we? Like as kids, we weren't taught how to connect to ourselves. We were taught, be quiet, shut up, get into line, don't be yourself. You know, you have to fit in, all of that kind of thing. You have to fit into the family unit. You're not allowed to be a separate identity, a separate human. I don't work like that. I teach you how to be a separate human. I teach you how to connect with yourself, to connect with your intuition, and to really know who you are and what you want, without the world telling you what you should be, what you shouldn't be doing, what you should be earning, what job you should be doing, you know, all the things, right? You're meant to be doing your journey your way. You came here to be a creator of your experience. And that is what I love to teach people to do. Alrighty, I hope you've enjoyed the video, the story. Let me know in the comments, you know, what you think. I'd love to know. If you've had any similar experiences, I'd love to know. And so, yeah, give it a like if you like it, so I know to bring you more of this content. Subscribe and hit the bell notification, because then you're notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do on the channel. And yeah, I hope you have a good one, and I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.